All right, at the moment we are getting the latest from Madhya Pradesh. Remember, even as we speak, there is a Maun Vrat. There's a silent protest being staged by the current Chief Minister of the state, Shivraj Singh Chauhan. In fact, my colleague Govind is right there. Let's just give you the context of this all. Reacting to the sexist remark by Kamal Nath, BJP has lashed out at the Congress. MP CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan is staging a silent protest against Kamal Nath's remarks against a former cabinet minister, Imarti Devi, who is a candidate in the upcoming by-elections, and he made an extremely derogatory remark against her in an election rally. So this is a protest that's now happening against Kamal Nath. BJP leader Jyotiraditya Scindia has also in fact reacted to those comments which Kamal Nath made in bad taste. Let me go across to Govind now to understand firstly what's happening there at the moment. Govind, tell us what's happening on ground with Shivraj Singh Chauhan deciding to really take up this matter rather seriously, and we all heard that comment obviously was made in extremely bad taste by a former chief minister against a former cabinet minister. So this is not being taken kindly by the BJP at all. Over to you for what's happening right there.
Yeah, absolutely. It's entirely condemnable, and leaving to beat about the bush, I directly take to you the live pictures we are just showing from Bhopal, where the brass leadership of Madhya Pradesh BJP is sitting on Maun Dharna, headed by CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan, along with the cabinet minister Vishwas Sarang, Nautam Mishra, and Bhupen Singh, and the lady MLAs are also there, just protesting the remark, whatever the remark Kamal Nath just made about the very senior cabinet minister of Shivraj government, Imarti Devi. Is it a kind of self-goal of backfire, or a kind of hit wicket out for Shivraj Singh Chauhan, as he, I beg your pardon, for Kamal Nath, as he has just remarked so sexist one about a very senior cabinet minister of Madhya Pradesh government. That's why Shivraj Singh Chauhan has just a move, sit on the dharna with his cabinet members there in Bhopal, and not even in Bhopal, many parts of Madhya Pradesh are having the same picture. But now the surprising fact is that Kamal Nath has yet not come forward for giving any justification or any kind of regret statement about whatever he reacted to the about a very senior cabinet minister of Madhya Pradesh, Imarti Devi. But this is what we can say: the BJP party is just trying to encash this issue, because Kamal Nath is a very senior leader, and the politics of Congress party is just going around Kamal Nath. If Kamal Nath himself reacted like this in this running festival of Nav Durga, then what all the expectation we can make from the subordinate leaders of Kamal Nath? So this is what we can understand, what kind of example Kamal Nath has set out for his subordinate leaders like this, if he is reacting about a very senior cabinet minister of BJP party, Imarti Devi. That's why Imarti Devi has demanded to the chairperson of UPA, Sonia Gandhi, that Kamal Nath must be fired just from the party for such kind of derogatory remark about her, and number of allegations Imarti Devi also has made about Kamal Nath. He is not having a kind of dignity to speak that what should be the proper word selection about a woman.
Absolutely. I mean, you may have a chip on your shoulder because Imarti Devi switched parties, but whatever it is, you cannot get away with making this kind of a misogynistic comment, because this is precisely the kind of grace that is expected from a leader of a national party. Thanks for joining us, Govind, with your information on this. More breaking news coming.